I just found the craziest liquor store in Orange County. It's called Liquor King in Lake Forest. Come inside, I want to show you guys some things. I know what you're thinking. Is Daniel doing a video about a liquor store? Yes, he is, and that's because this is no ordinary liquor store. Liquor King in Lake Forest is an experience. They have everything from a huge selection of wine, tequila, vodka, and whiskey to craft beer to cigars to allocated bottles that are hard to find anywhere. They are a high-end liquor store with low prices, and they offer fun deals like a weekly raffle that is free to enter. All you have to do is buy something. They also have exotic snacks and sodas from Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and Mexico, and the coolest part about this spot is they put together cocktail kits featuring fun creations and unique mixers. Does that say forking fruit punch? It does. And it comes with a free ice cup. Yep, that's right. I made my own cocktail kit, the Forking Fruit Punch, and it comes with an ice cup so you can use the cocktail kits to pregame or do whatever you want with it. Wink, wink. This is just a crazy, cool liquor store with amazing customer service and the best vibes around. Come meet Michael and Mark here at Liquor King at 21991 El Toro Road in Lake Forest. You guys are great.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you.
Thanks for having me, you guys. This was so fun. I have a cocktail.